Dr. Aber Lillian has given very big appreciation to General Muhoozi, who is now the CDF of the country. Aber is a very close friend to General Muhoozi. Their diplomatic ties are backed up by a lot of political companionship that has forged these two gallant Ugandans together. Now, Aber Lillian said on behalf of the people of Keinerugaba and Agago district, I would like to thank the CDF, General Muhoozi, Keinerugaba, for rescuing the people from the overwhelming elephants invasion. You can imagine the damages 100 elephants would have caused. Thank you. So she did not give the detail into what has happened, but I think maybe further steps have been taken to calm down this elephant. You must remember that elephants were so much disturbing the people of Agago district, destroying crops and also threatening their livelihood or their lives, making some people to flee, and a few number were already been starting to gather in internally displaced people's camp. Something so ugly to see in this 21st century in a country like Uganda that calls themselves a developed country. So this is appreciation update from Aber Lillian to the CDF as it goes by. Last year is when Aber Lillian brought Muhoozi to Agago district and Keinerugaba in the areas of Roma and Muyapachua to handle the issue of wildlife and also Karamojong, who were disturbing the people. Karamojong had gone a record toll on killing Acholi people, destroying the properties of Acholi people, and also causing other serious challenges like rape and even leaving people with severe psychomotors. Thank you so much.